Avatr Technology's new model Avatr 06 completed the world's first challenge according to E-NCAP 2026 test standards at the China Automotive Research Institute Automotive Inspection Center, Tianjin Company, Limited on March 21, 2025, and passed the 50% overlap crash test with high scores. E-NCAP 2026 is a new standard for European automobile safety performance tests and will be fully implemented in 2026. It claims to be developed based on two 5-star standards, C-NCAP 2024 and E-NCAP 2026, meeting the standards. In the dual vehicle crash test with a 50% overlap rate, the relative speed of Avatr 06 vehicles reached 100 km per hour, simulating the speed of a typical sudden accident. When Avatr 06 is hit from the front cabin collapses instantly to absorb the collision energy, and the airbags are deployed instantly to protect the passengers in the vehicle. After the collision, there is no damage to the A-pillar, the windshield remains intact, the 4 doors open normally, the E-call is immediately connected, the lower wall panel of the passenger compartment is not damaged or penetrated, and the delicate parts of the dummy are not damaged. Professor Zhu Shichan from the School of Automotive Engineering, Tongji University, confirmed the performance of Avatr 06 as follows. In the face of the contradiction between improving the crashworthiness of the car body and lightning, Avatr 06 uses hot-stamped ultra-high-strength steel plates with a strength of up to 2000 MPa to strengthen the crash force transmission parts on a large scale, and uses one-piece high-pressure aluminum casting parts to enhance the body rigidity. These technologies set a benchmark for China's automotive industry. Body materials are the basis of vehicle safety. It is understood that Avatr 06 has 8 horizontal and 9 vertical steel-aluminum hybrid body structure. More than 34% of the body is made of military-grade hot-formed steel. In the B-pillar, high-strength advanced composite insert CBS is used to increase mechanical properties and impact resistance under high dynamic loads. The aviation-grade one-piece, all-aluminum cast rear floor combines 72 parts to increase torsional rigidity by 25%. In terms of airbag configuration, data shows that Avatr 06 comes with 9 airbags as standard, and also has rear side airbags, remote control airbags and other configurations. Equipped with double pretensioner plus declining force limit plus dynamic locking tongue seat belt system, it can provide full protection to all passengers in the vehicle in the event of a collision. According to the statement made by the company, Avatr 06 creates a safe experience in the forward, side and rear directions with its 16-ring impact protection and energy-absorbing design. In the front collision scenario, the front wall panel and floor area adopt thermoforming technology, while the 5 horizontal and 6 vertical structure effectively prevents the damage to the feet due to the collision. The front cabin bumper area adopts a 3-stage crumple ring design, and the innovative 3-layer structure of the longitudinal beam increases the front collision capability by more than 130%. In the side collision, the data shows that the A, B, C pillars, front and rear sill beams, and front and rear door anti-collision beams form a hot-formed protective shield wall. The sill beam adopts a hot-formed double rear cross beam structure in addition to the 3-layer outer, middle and inner panel combination design of full 6-grid aluminum profile and hot-formed steel, forming a triple protection structure. In terms of rear collision scenarios, the company claims that the Avatr 06 uses a high-strength steel-aluminum hybrid rear anti-collision ring structure with high overall rigidity and strong resistance to deformation. The unique high-strength alloy material can withstand high-speed rear-end collisions with a speed difference of 80 km per hour and can basically cope with all rear-end collision scenarios. It is understood that Avatr 06 has leading experience in intelligent active safety, battery safety and other aspects in addition to the passive safety technologies mentioned above. Avatr 06's successful challenge to the E-NCAP 2026 test standard has demonstrated the innovation ability and strength of Chinese automobile brands in the field of safety technology, positively promoted the improvement of automobile safety and brought higher safety standard travel products to the market. It is reported that Avatr 06 pre-sale will start on March 27 and will be officially launched in April. It is expected to provide a new and safe choice of high-quality sedans for young user groups.